No, I only come on here if it's some form of controversy, if I got music coming out. And usually if it's controversy, I'm dropping music. I don't got the I really don't do, yeah. Like, I'm not the media girl. Like, it's been like that for years. Nobody's sad. Nobody's pregnant. Nobody's depressed. Like, I'm on Twitch every day, having a blast. I've been wanting to go live for the past 4 months. But, like, every time I try, I'm just like, every time I come on the media, I get reminded why I hate coming on here. It's been like this for years. You're pregnant? Yeah, I'm 11 months pregnant. I'm about to give birth. So, yeah. And for everyone who's, I see a lot of comments and DMs saying, you know, they're checking on me and stuff like that. I'm okay. The comment that I made, I was supposed to say, you wish, but I guess the U and the I is close together, so I guess I clicked I wish. Like, and everybody running with it, but I just left it, because you know me, I'm gonna let everybody run with anything what they want to run with. You see me? So it's like, me just love it alone.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing's set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. But there's a few trending topics I see popping out the dance that we need to discuss. Not in any particular order, so it's extremely important to watch to the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with Twinkle because I know, as you can see, she have the internet in a frenzy for making a simple mistake. Yes, as you see in front of you that she addressed in the beginning of the video that she didn't mean to write I wish. But you know, with these auto type correct things, foolishness, you see, I said people misconstrued it because somebody said, I thought you was, you know, dead. And this was the announcement. You see, I said, put in the comment section where you think about that, because she's obviously promoting her music video talking about the breaking up with Pardi, as we have been reviewing for the past couple months if you've been following my channel. You see, so all of these things that I've been saying is confirmed. You know what I mean? I know the girl is talking about not wanting to do music because certain people is ruining it and all type of things. So enough of me talking, people. Let's hear what the I say, and then we'll proceed to the next topic.
Hi. And so I see a lot of you guys saying, you haven't seen me, you miss me. I miss you guys too, but if you want to see me all the time, I'm usually on, let me turn this down. I'm usually on Twitch. So the real ones who know, I game. I've been gaming for years, but I just started streaming last year. So I'll be on there gaming, making music, vibing out. I'm always on Twitch. So I just making this live for my real supporters, people who really fuck with me, support me, and want to see me all the time. I'm on Twitch. I've been on Twitch. I'm on Twitch. I be gaming. I be vibing. I be making music. I be living life. You guys do know this whole music thing was literally, remember day ones know I was the writer. You know, I'm always the writer in the background. Cool, the music thing happened. Cool, I'm known. You understand? So music will always be my first love, 100%. But I do have hobbies that I love also dearly. So yeah, somebody say speak Patois. You guys are the only ones that matter, and I'm sure people who speak Patois can also understand me clearly. Yeah. You guys been telling me this since 2015. Speak Patois, like I don't speak Patois. And when I do, wanna say me chat bad. I chat very bad. Like it's nasty. It's very nasty. From Bulbia to St. Elizabeth, me chat bad. Everybody know that. Cool. but we don't gotta promote that all the time, right? Yeah, that's okay. Fuck, how ignorant are you? Anyway, so if you want to see me all the time, I'm always on Twitch. And every time I come on here, for years, you guys only know I only come on here if it's some form of controversy, if I got music coming out. And usually if it's controversy, I'm dropping music. I don't got the I really don't do, yeah. Like, I'm not the media girl. Like, it's been like that for years. Nobody's sad. Nobody's pregnant. Nobody's depressed. Like, I'm on Twitch every day, having a blast. Like, what the fuck? Anyway, my Twitch is Miss Twisky. So if you guys want to see me all the same, you guys could go over there. You know what I'm saying? I've been wanting to go live for the past 4 months, but like every time I try, I'm just like, every time I come on the media, I get reminded why I hate coming on here. It's been like this for years. You're pregnant? Yeah, I'm 11 months pregnant. I'm about to give birth. So yeah, and for everyone who's, I see a lot of comments and DMs saying, you know, they're checking on me and stuff like that. I'm okay. The comment that I made, I was supposed to say, you wish, but I guess the U and the I is close together, so I guess I clicked I wish. Like, and everybody running with it, but I just left it because, you know me, I'm gonna let everybody run with anything what they want to run with. You see me? So it's like, me just low it alone. But I've been away off of life for a while. It's like people are still gullible. Like, it really be the still, like, you're still gullible, like you're still like like. But it makes it easier for me. It makes it easier. But anyway, you guys should not run with every and anything you see on the media. Like, have you guys not learned your lessons? Like, I don't understand what's going on. Like, what? Like, that China, no, like, let me bring that. What you want to do? Push a microscope in my pussy hole? Like, what the fuck? I'm confused. Like, what? What you talking about? Like, me not understand. Like, what the fuck? Bitch. Anyway, what? Me not understand. What you want me to do? You haven't posted since March. I missed you. Cause me don't know if I post. If me I be really honest, we don't know. Me don't know if I post. I've never been the type to just like dress up for IG. Like, see me outfit here, see me don't know. Like, if me post for IG, me actually I go somewhere or me don't know, me actually I shoot a video, me I'm sitting and do. Like, isn't that what it's for? Like, I don't understand. Every time I respond to certain things, I've never sung a drop. I don't know this. This is not news. Like, what is going on? Like, what is happening? Like, me not understand. If you want to see me all the time, I usually dip on Twitch. So, you can come on Twitch and will have vibe. Nothing wrong with that. But me always over there. Post your gaming. I have a gaming page for that, which everybody knows. But I don't promote it as much because I don't want too much people over there. I don't want too much people over there, you know, because when too much people start coming, it starts to get really fucking weird. Yeah. And since everybody ruined the music for me, like, that's my piece, for real. Like, when I game, I'm in my own world. You understand? In my own world. For years it's been like this, in my own world. That's just how it is. But I have a gaming page. So why are you promoting it? Because I know, because this is only what, 4,000 almost people in here. There's not a lot of people in here. So I feel like the people who really want to see me every day, who want to see me game or want to see me over Twitch and just a chat and a vibe and we just play music, make music, vibe out, one can come. You understand? The people who really support me can forward. It makes sense? Yeah, because enough people come on and be like, damn, I never know say it on Twitch, me love you. And I'm like, damn, that's crazy. There's people out there who really love me and really want to see me and really support me and really just want, when I watch me blow up a balloon, like, they just want to see me and want to chat to them. I want to socialize with good energy, good people. So them can swing by, you get me? That's why yeah. When I say I don't promote it, meaning I see it on my main page, like I post it on my page every minute and this and that and Ray and Tay. But I do have a gaming page. Yeah. We're coming back to Jamaica for the concert. What concert? I love you guys. Yeah, I play Call of Duty. And RP. I play GTR RP too. So that's fun. I might do GTR RP tonight with my girls and Bible. Another thing I want to talk about is the song I just dropped. So, of course, it's titled Somebody Else. I'll be dropping the video for that soon. I've done that song 3 years ago. 3 years ago. That song is old. The majority of my songs I'm about to release now are old. But I'm just trying to get some music out the way. Just putting out music out the way. And also, I love the song. I love it. I wouldn't drop it if I didn't love it. So I really hope you guys love the song. I really hope you guys vibe to it. Isn't me like, me just open a vibe to it. Listen to the words and just have a joy. Especially the girls. Like, una know say, una my heartbeat, una my drop far. Like, una keep me going. You see me? Yeah. And some girls, and every girl want to shake up them rump and pop them titty. Yeah, like, nothing is wrong with that. Like, there's lover girls out there too. Like what? For the people who are just now, who are new or whatever, this is not news. This is the type of music I do. And the music that I am about to drop, you guys will be saying probably the same thing too, because I don't know, this is not news. If you go back to whenever, it's deeper than Big Buddy What's Up, guys. Like, it really deeper than Big Buddy What's Up. I've done songs like Best You Ever Had, Medicine, Business, you know what I'm saying? Even top tiers, you know, Feelings, Last Night, Next Time. Like, my last EP was this. I just try to post because or nothing, because like, are you guys okay? Like, I don't know what you want from me, dog. Like, I'm an independent artist who's literally just doing her thing. Yeah, I'm an artist, I'm a gamer, I'm a painter, shit. All of that. Like, I have a life behind social media. I have a life. You're Terry. Oh no, I'm not Terry. I never put in my eye drops. I not Terry at all. My eyes actually dry. I have really dry eyes, so my always have to put in my eye drops. Well, this is one of them. Me live for eye drops, live for ass drops, glasses. Listen, I get old, eh? I get old. Can I get old? Yeah. Take time with me to do. But again, to people who just come in, that was a typo. I'm very much great. I'm always great. Like, I'm lovely. I'm amazing. I'm amazing. I meant to say you wish, but I guess I hit I, and it sounded like I said I wish, whatever, but yeah, boy, I don't know. Let me play the new song.
Yes, put in the comment section what you think about that, and that is specifically why we didn't run with the story. As you can see from yesterday, my DM's full up with Jada Kingdom. But I know Jada Kingdom, and I know the situation that she was just really promoting her music. Now, speaking about music and promoting, you know, Dovey is confirming that she is in fact a deportee, and she wants to be like a spokesperson for them. You see what I said? But this shouldn't be news to people. Because we did this review like a year ago, or 2 or 3. You see, I said when we bust the story, you see it. This is why you can't believe anything this lady is saying. You know what I mean? So let's hear what she's saying first, and I'll get to the reason why.
Come at our blood-clad family member got foreign, go try a fight and get deported. And you come there and stress out all the people them and them something like they own a blood-clad something. They own something. Am I deport? Come take it from you and Barry? Sucker. I'm not afraid of nothing on the around here, because Jamaicans are always tear down people. And always are sitting for say. That's why I speak right now. The people them get deported from any part of America, Canada, or any blood clot we could all Cayman Island and them sending from. How bad with blood clot bad? Fuck out of here. Stop make people feel less than themselves, because when they said we're going away. And we come back here, we ain't come back to Uno. Fuck do no. Big stinking shit for stop from me. A little picnic and a grow in a Jamaica as a little girl. Remember them used to laugh after people. There's a certain man that come from England that the one they laugh after the man there. And the man who I laugh after the man they come from England. The man England house still a bill. He house not done billing up, but a black up there bill. And the man who I laugh after the man who live over Miss Jai. A boat blood clot house and wood in chop for blood clot cook dinner. And then I done the man. Say man a deportee, and the man starting us got foreign the day of England. I'll never forget. I sell enjoy all of that to take care of family and the community. And the boy go so boom make a play and get in a trouble and defend himself and go so boom and call Jamaica. Me as a little girl, I was 12 years old. And I mean never forget when the look stinking, look dirty thinking foot man a cussy boy, cussy big man, as a little girl. And I used to rate them because over them yard me used to can get extra ice when mommy fridge not work. So I rate them. And the man a cuss the man. As a little girl, I'll never forget when I was 12 years old. And the man a cuss the man, you know. Go away, you look at the porty boy. Ray. And I used to say as a little girl, why my cuss said them at the porty? And I go to mommy, say, mommy, what is at the porty? And mommy said, when they are foreign and they send you back home at Jamaica. So me say, it's a bad thing. So like mommy say, and I said bad thing. But like she did, I said to me, then tell her like say, you do bad thing like I sitting bad in do. And get locked up, so then send him back the man from England. I mean, I always wonder why Jamaicans always find it to cheer, bring down people, cuss people when them get deported. Why? I wanna don't walk in the shoes of them walk. Enough of the people that get deported come home and really go into depression because of what wanna do to them bad man. Wanna for stop it, man. And the people that get deported for stand firm with them deported card and hold it, sir. Cause some pussy now go foreign. Can't go.
Yes, put in the comment section where you think about that. This is why you can't believe anything she says when she wants to be nice to Spice, because I lie. You know what I mean? Calm her reach and she can't reach back a foreign and nobody now book her Canada or the small island. And this is my say, so she stuck. So she I beg the besties them you know what. He said, my people, boy, oh boy. Anyway, let's proceed to the next. Now, Blak Ryno made a post bigging up Vybz Kartel. He said, I'm not sure what that post means, if it's gonna be on Freedom Street concert or whatnot, but we know Kartel was on, Keisha. I'm sure what they, she asked about, certain, ex-members, you feel what I'm saying, of the Gaza crew. And he said the door is simply shut on them, you feel me? Not like he need anything from them when, he went to prison and whatnot. But a few of them is trying to get close to him now. Put in the comment section which members are those specifically, because this is he's cool with Lisa Hyper and Popcorn. You see, man, say, we see him address Popcorn and things. But I didn't watch the full interview, so I don't know if Blak Ryno was brought into the equation. You see, man, say, put in the comment section if you would like to see Blak Ryno on the stage, you know what I mean? Or I don't want to see nobody that's going to only trying to use Gaza for put themselves back on the map. Because you don't know what the things said, you feel me? But I'm not going to longer this no longer. This is again them quick update another day. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.